Good morning, guys. We will get started in a few minutes, in like 2 or 3 minutes. I am here. I'm just sorting some things out, but we'll get started in a few minutes. You guys can just chat amongst yourselves and stuff. Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning. Hope you have a good evening. Hope you guys have a good evening too. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever everyone's from. CAUD. Let me have a look. CAUD. Nothing on this, unfortunately, Robert. Nothing on it yet. I would say above like 0.45 maybe. 0.45, then yeah, would look good. Anyone made? Yeah, made some money this morning. Currently in ANNX. Currently in this trade. MLGO looks good for entries if anyone wants to take that now. Right now. Yeah, you guys can enter MLG if you want. Yeah, I did almost done for the day. Let's go. Sissy. Let's have a look here. Up 7%. Strong trend, yeah. Looks good. I mean, the only thing as I would say is just entries are just on the pullback. So probably around here would be good entries. Around $2 maybe. You could re-enter or look for play there. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning from LA. Good morning, bro. Good evening from Dubai. 4:30 p.m. Question for MACD, how it works. I don't use MACD, to be honest. I'm not really too familiar with it. I don't use it. All I literally use is, I pretty much just use VWAP. That's it. I used to use the EMAs, but not anymore. But I'm sure if you go onto YouTube, there will be videos on it. But yeah, I personally don't use it. So I don't want to give you information I don't really know too well about it. Guys, we have 5 likes and 70 people in here. Let's go. Let's get to at least 50 likes. Let's go. How's Buru? Buru is the biggest pumper stock on the market with FFIE and the rest of them. Right now, it's just trending like this. Pretty much slowly in an uptrend. There is no movement at all on this. Nothing. Save this chart because I get asked every day. Nothing's changed. MBIO, yes, I posted this yesterday. Usual setup, this was the same as Peggy. How many people in here? Got in Peggy? I gave it to you guys literally at pre-market open, which was 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago, you had time to get in. It ran 20-30%, I think, 20% plus. So this is a falling wedge, exactly the same setup. Straight in the demand zone, bang, straight up, 7%. So yes, I don't know if anyone did get it. I just saw it now. So that's what we have. FRES up 29%. I don't know. I don't like this price action on the stock, to be honest with you. What I would do is, all I would simply do is, as I always say, is just draw the trend line. Right now it's bearish, so you could try and take entries here if you wanted to, setting up for a falling wedge. I would have your stop loss below this candle. Yeah, you could try and enter now if you wanted to. Looks good. Looks good, falling wedge. Expected to break out. It's a bullish chart pattern. Reversal chart pattern. So it's in the bearish trend to push up. Frez, hello. Tubler here, checking in. Who's ready to make some money? Let's go, Dill Pickler. Good morning, Abdullah bro. Good morning, thanks. Do we still think FJN will blow up? As long as it stays in its demand zone, it should be fine. As long as it stays here, it's okay. But if not, yeah, I would cut your losses under 130. My stop loss is like 132, around there. RMCO. RMCO has very low volume. I don't know. I don't really like this kind of chart with the low volume, but you have a wick to fill all the way up here at 180. So this is your next kind of resistance level, 180. But focus on this first. This 159. So 159, then 180 is your next levels on that. Let's go, go, go. Yeah, like up the stream, guys. Like it up, like it up. 18 likes. We have 90 people in here. We can get to at least 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 likes. What should be the exit on Peggy? Guys, a lot of you are new, and I'll repeat every day. Whatever you enter at, whether you enter at $1 million, $1, $2, $3, $4, your first target must be 5% from your entry. That is how I trade. I do not hold. If I buy Peggy at $1, I'm not holding for $3, $4, right? I'm not holding for 300-400%. I hold for 5%, sell 50% of my position. If it keeps going up 20-30%, fantastic. I will scale out. I'm not holding for 40-50%, right? I enter my trade, have my 5% first target, and that's all I do. And have my 3% stop loss. That is what I do every day, every day, every day, every day. JL, what's happening with JL? JL's China play, pumpers play. Not really a fan of this play, to be honest. Yeah, strange one. Trying to find support. I would look for it at maybe above 0.60, 0.6. Sorry, Peggy. Yeah, Peggy there. Yeah, I just mentioned Peggy. Peggy, whatever your entry is, 5% first target. It's gone up like 20% since I mentioned. SCPX, absolutely nothing on this. There is no reason to be entering this trade. If you are trying to look for a trade on this, you need to wait for a break above here. Above 1.152, right? If it can break above that, then you should be fine. This may be too involved in the question this morning, but for stocks that are out of nowhere take off during the day, like a bit HUW yesterday, no news, no ticket text, is there 2 ways to predict it? I mean, if you see random volume coming in, it's either getting pumped or maybe someone's buying. Some big investor. Seems like a slow market. It's okay. I mean, there's not too much going on. There's a couple movers. Not too much going on though. Lucy. Nothing on Lucy unless it breaks above $1. So that means if you're in it now, sell it. And if it goes above $1, you buy it. That is it. We'll tell you as simple as that. BNZI, let me have a look. BNZI, I don't know. This one's kind of strange. I don't really like this price action. If I'm honest, it's pretty much just consolidating. So I would wait for like 0.25 break. Like what's happening now is it's ranging. So this is what you have, right? You have this level here, like this. So if it breaks above 0.25, maybe you can consider some entries. Like this. So above 0.25, you could consider some entries on this BNZI. So BNZI, wait for 0.25. BNZI, wait for 0.25 break above. BNZI, MBIO. Hey, who got an MLGO? Congrats if you did. Well done. Discord members, are you rich? I gave it to you guys on here as well. That was your trade, MLGO. Sweet. Well done if you entered, everyone. Well done if you got in. I mentioned it. If you joined late, Sorry. Beautiful. Mentioned about 100 times as well, so. Free money for everyone. Free money, free money, free money. Well done, plus 5%. Let's go, let's go. MBIO. I just went over MBIO. MBIO looks good. It's currently breaking out right now. Next resistance is 0.20. Can we see a live trade? I mean, if you want to join the live trading, it's in the Discord. I literally just gave you guys a free trade right there on MLGO. So yeah, if you're in that, well done. MLGO 5%. Hollow any chance? Hollow nothing, guys. Nothing on hollow. You guys need to cut your losses and move on with plays. Look, the thing is down. Look, there is no reason to be entering this at all. Just leave it. Cut it out. Get rid of it. Leave it. There's thousands of other plays. Thank you, by the way. No problem, no problem. Does Kraken have a falling wedge? Kraken is, let me see. So it's broken below this. Falling wedge. Not really. I mean, you could try and force it. No, I wouldn't use, maybe. It's not that clean of one, but you could use this. I prefer it if it looks something like this. Maybe I could do this. No, I can't. There's no falling wedge on this, unfortunately. I don't see it yet, at least. This is all you have, so there's no shape of it. Yeah, it's just in downtrend. It's coming down to its demand zone, though. This might be good buys around here. Like 0.105, good entries for buys. I am very sick. I've just, I don't know, just like a couple hours ago, I just started feeling very sick. I think I'm getting the flu, which is not good. Thank you, by the way, FGEN. FGEN is here, guys. I am in this trade. I am in FGEN. I am in FGEN. Here. Needs to hold demand zone. Cut it if it breaks below demand zone. SMX. Let me have a look. SMX is a former runner. Yeah, not really my kind of play. It's pretty much a pump and dump. So how do you notice? Look at the larger time frame and look at the price action. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? There is no strong uptrend like this, right? Where the stock has been going like this, right? Making high highs and high lows. It's pretty much just ranging. So SMX, yeah, it is up 12%, but it probably by the end of the day will probably be red. That's what my prediction is on SMX. So SMX is pretty much just chilling right now. Nothing on it, unfortunately. Maybe above 0.21. There you go. So SMX just ranging. SMX is ranging. Verb. I don't really like verb, to be honest, guys. I'm not interested in verb. Nothing unless it breaks above 0.20. 0.2 is what you can look for. VHAI, it's pretty much still in the demand zone. Absolutely nothing on this. I will not go over this again and again because it's done pretty much the same thing. It's in demand zone. Unless it breaks above 0.145, then maybe you can look for entries. MGRX. Yeah, well done, everybody, by the way, on that. Yeah, apparently, is Think or Swim down? Asking for a friend. Think or Swim. MGRX. I don't know, like something like this is very easy to trade. If it breaks above 0.52, you can consider entries. Otherwise, just leave it. Just leave it for now. So your entry point is above 0.52. Leave it for now. Do not try and enter. Wait. ANNX. We need to get above 7.3. That is the major resistance level. Major resistance level. Guys, we have 37 likes and 100 people in here. Let's get to at least 60 and then I'll continue to do some charts. Yeah, ANX needs 7.43. Break above that, then you should continue. You should continue. I'm at Hollow NPY. You want to add a couple more there, brother? Please choose one. Please just choose one. Just choose one of those and I will do it. I don't want to do 20 of them. OBLG, nothing on this. I mean, yeah, just maybe ascending triangle. Maybe it's bullish to break out. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, if it breaks above 0.25, it should continue to push up. That's what I would say. Tiger, yeah, raw honey. Yeah, I actually have raw honey. I need to do it. I have raw. Thank you very much, Rochelle. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Feel better, but size of the charts, how about the company has a good news charting TVX. Senka, I can't really tell you anything about the company. I don't know any stock that I usually buy. I don't know anything about the stock, to be honest, unless it's like a normal stock that, well, not a normal stock, but a common stock that we know of. But yeah, at the moment, yeah, nothing on it. It's currently 26 cents. It's in a downtrend. Based on technicals, it's still bearish. If you're trying to look for an entry above 0.29, that is all I know. I'm a technical trader, not fundamental, unfortunately. BRSH, let me have a look. People love this play. I don't know why. BRSH. Yeah, nothing on BRSH now. Downtrend. BRSH, yeah, I don't really like a kind of setup like this. All I would do is I would wait for a clear break above, what is this? 0.16. Like 16 cents. Above 16 cents, because look here, we got resistance here, right? So we know that what's going to happen is if it breaks above 16 cents, it's a high probability it'll go up, right? Because look, there's clean range all the way literally to 28 cents. But trying to enter in a range like this is very difficult. Trying to guess and hope and pray that it's going to go up. So that's what I would say. BRSH, yes, it is. Tiger, thank you. What do you think of BNID and Peggy? Is there any target for 0.3? I would not hold for 100% targets, guys. I say it every time, every single time. Do not hold for stupid targets. Maybe if you guys are swing traders, I understand, but I'm not a swing trader, so I'm just giving my point of view on something that I do. All I do is I look for 5% as the first target. I sell 50% of my position. If it goes up 100%, I still do have some left. That's kind of how I trade. Trying to hold for 100% gains, you will be struggling with trading, to be honest, unless you have a miracle indicator that tells you what to do. BNet, this is just a meme stock. It just runs with Game, AMC, and so on. GameStop. Meme play. So this is just a meme play. Unfortunately, all the people asking on Twitter for all the chart requests, they need to be over here. Join. They need to join. They need to join. We have 47 likes. Who's going to be the 50th like? Let's see. Taco Tuesday. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to be retweeting one of our options, guys. His charts, they are fantastic. So I just retweeted now. If you can share some love for that on Elite's page, would appreciate it. Yes. Soba, where's Soba? This thing was going nuts. So Soba's pulling back now. It's finding an area of support around here. 0.37. Where's VWAP? 0.37 is around here. Let me see. If you're trying to consider entries on this, right, what I would do is, right, to break above VWAP. If it can close above VWAP, then you can look for entries on SOBA. Right now, it's just coming down, or it's consolidating. Is FFIE done? I don't know, guys. I'm just sharing my point of view on this. This is expected to break out. It's in a falling wedge and the demand zone. I expect it to break out, but these are very difficult, these trades. I don't know what's going on. They get very highly manipulated plays. Cause, this is disappointing. I expected this thing to run. It's not running. Yay, MLGO. Let me sell here. All right. I am out full position on ML. Am I? Yeah, I'm out full position on MLGO. I will concentrate now on this. Cause, I don't know. It's still holding this level. We could use this demand zone here. We could just use this whole level if we want to, just to get an idea. We could just use this like that. So here's the demand zone. So we'll see what it does do, but it looks like it's just been coming down. Demand zone. Demand zone, demand zone. So cause light. Cause thanks VKTX. VKTX. I don't know. This thing's up 4%. I don't know anything. What? I'm assuming that earnings or some kind of news. For continuation on this play, it needs to break above $65. Oh, 66. Sorry. What is this level? Oh, 65.50. Yeah, so above 65.50, you should continue to this level here, to 68, and then you have here, right? So this is your main resistance. If it closes above, continuation to the upside, clean range to the left. Look, wouldn't taking 20% profit better? Of course it will be, right? Taking 100% profit would be better, but think about it, Starling. If you enter a trade, right? What are the chances are you getting 20%, right? How often when you enter trade does it run 20%? And how often does it run 100%? For me, I've been doing over for the last 4 years, maybe 5,000 trades. I know whenever I enter a trade, right? I would say 75% of the time from my track record is that 75% of the time my stock hits at least 5%, right? Because I've based it off years of trading. But obviously 20% would be better, but how many times would I be able to hit 20%? Maybe only 10% of the time. So I'm losing 90% of my trades, right? To make 20% is not worth it in my opinion, right? So obviously 20% is better, 40, 50, 60, but holding for 20% every time you enter trade is very unrealistic, right? Unless you got the magic touch. Let's go, Dylan. 50, 50, 50. Buru is the pumper's paradise. It's moving up, but that's what you have. Room to 0.2650. 0.265. FGEN. What's happening with FGEN? Yeah, people should be in this. People in the Discord I know are in it. I know for a fact they're in it because I've mentioned about 5 million times. Bro absolutely cooks in these live streams. I know, bro. Cooking, man. Cooking. Lux H. I'm assuming this has low volume. That's my prediction. Yeah, Lux. Nothing on Lux. Unfortunately, this thing is very bearish on the larger time frame. So if you're trying to look for any entries, which I'm assuming you're asking for, I would wait for 0.52 break. That is quite a way away, but you are coming down to a support level. Maybe you could try and buy some here, 0.23, but nothing right now. Either if it gets to 0.23, you could consider some entries here, or if it breaks above 0.52. Out of accounts to like you. Thank you, bro. 57, we got 100 people. Come on, where's the other 50 people? What are you guys doing? What is everyone doing? Right, let me go through the watch list since we've caught up here. No. Right, let me have a look at this real quick. I'm going to use this demand zone. I'm just going to make a demand zone around here. Since it's around the lowest part. Like around here, this would be a demand zone. So we'll see what this does do. Setting up in a falling wedge right now. I still like this setup a lot. MLG is the best setup by a country mile. Here we go. I don't know. I wouldn't use this as a falling wedge, but I would prefer it if it comes down to demand zone. That's what I would wait for. MLGO, who grabbed it from the start of the stream? It was over here at $4. You are currently rich. Up at 20% nearly. Woohoo. Congratulations to those who got in. Ooh. Congratulations, everybody. Yeah, MLG is very solid play. Very, very solid. Wow. Okay, very, very nice on MLGO. Congratulations, whoever got in. How many of you guys got in? FRES, good entry point. I would wait for it to find area support. It's still coming down a bit. I would say like, yeah, maybe like 0.41. See if it can hold this level. Right here. Good entry point. Someone new who's also using the same account as yours, X, reach out me and offer me some. Yeah, guys, please, this is very important. There's some other trading thing Hassie sent me last night. It's some person on, I don't know, do you guys know what this is? It's called copy trading on Capital Hedge. Someone's literally got a picture of me on Capital Hedge, like a photo of me. It's got like the trades amounts here. It says 986 trades, total wins. I don't know. This is all BS, guys. I mean, most of you are smart enough. I'm not going to go behind my team's back or anything like that and do something like that to create another account. That most people should know. Most of you guys are smart enough, I'm assuming. If you're sending people money and doing that, that's your own fault because you should not be doing that. It's very simple. It takes 2 seconds to check the account, right? You literally go onto my page and you can see my followers. Not only that, go onto my tweets and you can see if my tweets are being retweeted, right? That means it's not me. It will say Tiger Line Trading, whatever. Look at the name. It says Tiger Line Trades. There's no number 1 there, no number 2, no 3 for an E, none of that BS. It's literally Tiger Line Trades. You guys should all be smart enough to know that. But yes, I will not DM you or reach out to you. I don't do that. Right? I only message my Discord members if anything, but I don't tell them to buy Bitcoin or any bullshit like that. So just avoid it. But yeah, you guys, I mean, you guys are smart enough. Is it worth jumping in now on MLG since it's coming up to resistance? MLGO, I'm assuming. Right now it's up a lot. If you are trying to enter, you just have a stop loss below 446. So that's how you could trade it. So enter now, stop loss below 446. But you are coming at a resistance. Personally, I would wait for above, but if you want to try get some now, you could take some. Green 5-minute engulfing. Yeah, I mean, all of these are pretty green. Nothing's engulfing here. That's not engulfing. But just pretty, yeah, it's all just green, green, green. IBIO. IBIO has very low volume, nothing on this at the moment. Just mark the high, which is around here. Well, not the high, but resistance around 255. 255, maybe you could consider some entries on this. So you have here. Yeah, ascending triangle, this is expected to break out, but in order for it to break out, it needs volume, needs buyers. We need some buyers to step in to get this thing moving. IBIO, but yeah, expecting breakout. I'll put it on Twitter for you. IBIO expecting breakout. But yeah, guys, please do not fall for those stupid scammers. Please do not do it. I'm not going to DM you. IBIO, did you already do Peggy? I did Peggy earlier, but I'll do it again. Peggy's right here. So Peggy is pretty much trying to break out. It's come down now, but it's done the run up that I like. You have here. It's pretty much still in the falling wedge, so yeah. I have to wait, just wait and see what it does do. It's up 10% right now as well. KITT. Oh my gosh, MLGO is gone. KITT hasn't changed, guys. It's still in the demand zone. Still in the demand zone. Nothing has changed on this at all. So if you're trying to look for entries, Benjamin, right now is the time to get in. That is what your question is, and there's your answer. SILO, nothing unless it breaks above 240. 240 is your resistance level. So if it breaks above 240, that is your entry to push to the upside, right? So just wait for that level. All right. All right. Good morning, everyone. Joined recently. Welcome, Tom, brother. Welcome. Right, this thing's coming down. MLGO, steady. Cause. I'm going to remove this level. Let's try and fix some of these charts up. This thing needs to sort itself out. Mbot. I still like Mbot, but the volume needs to be there for it to do anything. Peggy, Soba. Soba looks great. I would be in this. I would take some trades now. Once it broke above this level here, you see this resistance, this level here. I'll put in a yellow line like this. You see that? Break above that. Now it looks good. So once this broke above, that was your entry point. You could even do like that, but I would do this because it's the high here. Resistance, rejection, close above, pushed. Looks good. FRES, you can still be in this trade and you can still enter it. I do expect it to go up. FRES. Expecting breakout. Twitter guys are going to have to wait out for these requests because I'm doing this right now. Let me have a look here. SPWR. What are we thinking with SPWR? Right, SPWR we have... Okay, guys, this thing has a high short percentage. I don't know if it still does, right? I think it was over 100% on FinViz. But this just runs with game AMC, like the memes. But at the moment, I personally wouldn't consider anything. There's no reason to be entering this. If you are trying to take a trade, maybe you could look for entries, right? Like around here on the support line. But personally, I would wait for 374. If it could close about 374, then you can look for entries. That's what I would do personally. POAI. Nothing on POAI. Extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. Riskier entries are above 150. You can say 150, then has room to literally 197. That's what you have on that. Thanks. Today I'm definitely canceling my existing day trading. Welcome, MA. Welcome. Great to hear, brother. Yeah, live trading link will be sent out in like 20 minutes or so. We'll see you in there. I know we have a few guys. For those who just joined, check your Discord DMs. I've sent you just a starter pack to go through, watch the intro video and stuff. AMED. This is a large cap. This has a gap fill though. Whoa. Gap fill here. Meaning that the price has a gap to fill. So it means that the price can break and push all the way up to... I don't know what the percentage on this is. What is that? This is at 95 and currently at 91. No, it's not that much. Let me see this. AMED. Let me get Hassie in this. AMED. Rightio. No problem. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, I don't know. This thing's a bit... yeah, I can gap fill here though. This is a... It's not much, only a 3% move, but still gap fill's a gap fill. ANNX, nothing on this yet. MLGO is coming down. Broke below this, so yeah, this is no good now. I'm waiting for this level. I need it. There we go, 511. 511 break, I'll look for something. Cores, just chilling here in demand zone. FGN, I think this is going to run. That's why I'm in it. People are in this, right? Mbots, just chilling. Peggy, chilling. Soba, fantastic. FRES, there she goes. It takes a little bit of time, but she's trying to move. You have room to 0.50 next. Yeah, it's just patience. Like, that's why it's a little difficult buying up here, but coming down a bit should be good. BNZI, nothing on that. MBIO got a huge volume candle here. FFIE looks good as well. Looks very good. All right, I'm going to head into Discord, guys. If you want to join the Discord, here is the link right here. Okay, this is the link here. The difference between Twitter and Discord, people ask me all the time. Twitter, I just share charts and setups and help followers out if they have any questions about any charts. If I enter any trade, I give my alerts, stop loss entry, as well as Hassie. We are in the Discord together. We do live trading every single day. The live trade alerts, as I just mentioned, with stop loss entry targets. Swing trades are there as well. risk management strategy, all that stuff, pre-market rules, seminars, all that stuff is there as well, live seminars. So if you want to join, feel free to do it. The link is there. All right. Members, I will see you guys in the Discord. Wow, OBLG did go. I literally said the ascending triangle. That's jokes. Wow. Whoever's mentioned that, well done. I don't know why it went though. Why did it break out like that? Wowza. Alright guys, I'm going to head into Discord. I hope you guys have a great day. If you can do me a favor and please subscribe if you haven't. Also watch the new playlist that we have there for the Day Traders Starter Pack. Highly recommend to watch it. You guys will learn how we trade. Any questions, feel free to just ask me on Twitter. Please don't DM me because I don't read them, to be honest with you. I get about 100 DMs a day. It's best to just comment under one of my posts, and if you have a question there, I will respond to it. Regardless, have a great day, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for joining. So we have there for the Day Traders Starter Pack. Highly recommend to watch it. You guys will learn how we trade. Any questions, feel free to just ask me on Twitter. Please don't DM me because I don't read them, to be honest with you. I get about 100 DMs a day. It's best to just comment under one of my posts, and if you have a question there, I will respond to it. Regardless, have a great day, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow.